guys? It's that JDM kid back at it again.
That's going on the channel. Anyway, what's up? As you already see, she just did the intro. We're over here at a toy drive / car meet hosted by Brandon. Boost by the gear, I think, or Boost by the pound. One of the two. I'm gonna clarify that in a minute. But anyway, yeah, it's cold outside. We just got these rinky-dink sweaters, and everybody got jackets with hoodies, and yeah, so we're about to freeze our ears off. Look at mine. My ears are so cold they're already sticking out. So yeah, let's say what's up to everybody. And yeah, this is my JDM dinosaur. Shout out to my uncle for hooking it up with the Beanie Babies. If you want to hit him up, he's got all like the, what do you call it? The exclusive Beanie Babies.
Don't put that on the video.
That's gonna go in the video. What's up, guys? We're over here with Boost by the Pound, your host to the local toy drive for Children's Hospital. Got some hot chocolate. Look at that, steaming. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, oh. Keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. Oh. Anyway, trying to stay toasty out here. It's not started yet. The meet just started, but let's see what we got here. Oh dang, you're already almost at the goal. Look at that. Dang. Almost at the goal. Here's the toy drive to the Children's Hospital. Got Hopeful Impressions over there just chilling. Got Still Clowning over here, always clowning. Got the Coca-Cola Honda over there. We'll get to that in a minute. How's the hot chocolate? Okay, it's good. Let me get some. I'll be back after I drink some awesome hot chocolate. Shout out to Brandon. Look, I'm shaking. I'm like, Anyway, yeah. Let me enjoy some hot chocolate. I'll be back.
Oh, I thought it was a photo.
It's cold. Been what? It's been what? About an hour now?
Yeah.
Let's see
Almost
where
there.
we're at.
Almost full.
Dang, almost full. Let's see where we're at on the bar. Where we at on the bar?
75.
Damn! Damn, yo! That's more than 75. Dang! Yo! Children's Hospital. Shout out to Brandon for making this happen over here. Ain't playing no games. Damn! Look at this! Whoa! Whoa, bro! Damn! Yo, you're gonna need another box, bro.
Dude, and expensive toys.
You're gonna have to go get a U-Haul.
Dude, that's some crazy. Yeah, you gotta put the lights on for sure.
Dang!
Put the lid on.
Got scooters, drawing stuff. Yo!
That's right. That's a problem I'm willing to figure out.
No, you can fix it though.
Dang, what do you think about that? It's cool and it's cold. Yo, look, they got the dinosaurs. Dang. It's a present, dog? That's a present, dog. Oh! You must be Puerto Rican. I see a flag, bro. Yo, look, we're Puerto Rican buddies.